Hey, this is Kevin with Heartland Honda, and we're going to go over the 2018 Honda Rancher 4x4 DCT EPS. It's going to come in red as well as white and the Honda Phantom Camo. Now, this is a DCT model, so you're going to have a full automatic and manual transmission, as well as the Traxlok selectable 2-wheel, 4-wheel drive. It's going to have a set of Maxxis Bighorn tires on the front and back, and is also going to have the lower brush guard in the front. It's going to have EPS, which is electric power steering, so it's going to be very easy to turn even if you're in 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive. I'm going to show you right here. This is the selector for your automatic and manual, as well as the up and down for your electric shift or your automatic. Automatic, you can just run it automatic the whole time. Down here you're going to see it's still a straight axle with a drum disc brake, and it's going to be running Honda's longitudinally put engine. We didn't switch up the engine setup because of the DCT or the dual clutch transmission, and it's still a shaft out the front, shaft out the back. So let's start it up so I can show you the automatic. So if I click it into gear, it's in neutral. When I click it 1, it's going to go into drive, and I can sit there and switch it back between the D and the 1. So it goes D for drive, that's automatic, and 1 for your regular gears shifting up and down. Guys, if you would like to take this for a spin, please come take it for a spin here at Heartland Honda. Remember, Heartland Honda is Arkansas's first Level 5 powerhouse dealership. We're also a premier dealership, which means we provide excellence in customer sales and services. Speaking of service, we have 2 red level techs. All Hondas may be treated equally, but it's the dealership that makes the difference.
Work